I be fresh as fucking, I don't need no stylist. Yeah, niggas they be hating, they be wildin'. Yeah, I don't got the time cause that shit childish. I'm not fucking on that bitch if she got mileage. Yeah, bitches they be lying, they lying.
We out here in Negative with my homeboy Jalen. We installing some double rough flow series wheel lights. This is truck. Jalen, you wanna tell everybody what you got done to your truck so far?
3-inch level, no blocks, 2-inch drop shackles, 24-inch reps on 33s, and 4 rock lights, and we're getting wheel lights installed now. And that's it.
I'm trying to get some reps before I come back to Negative.
I seen that dope, they got one like this, so we get some.
Yeah, I'm trying to get some. I'm trying to get some 26, 20 reps. That's what I'm trying to get.
Who? I wanna. What's over there now? In the bay. I'm sorry, I took it off. I ain't giving a pin in the left. I ain't gonna pin in the basket. What's her name? Hey, come on! You got like 4. You got like 4 options you can say. Oh, you got like 4 options you can go for. Let's go. Come on.
Wow, this right here. So I can go across this brake line, go over the axle, catch the other brake line, and go up through there. So that's how we're gonna do it.
Which one? Load them up. There's 24 to 33. Take your best. I can do them. I got the custom ones, I can get them.
Mess up with some of this. Basically, like when you zip time, make sure you like zip time on this light trans label so it won't get on the chip. Because when you get on that chip, it's gonna sort it out.
Yeah, I know Dick Gabe done that. It bust all that little rubber stuff up in water.
Yeah. Yeah, sort out.
Alright.
But other than that, man, you get straight.
I got cash in hand right now. Yeah, I know mine. I saw some 24 by 12 on 35 for 2.4. I don't know how clean they are though.
Man, I ain't gonna lie, sometimes they'll come in the box defected. Cause I had one defective when I first got mine for Bayou.
Yeah.
And I had to they sent me another one. They sent me a brand new set. All 4.
I had to put a toggle switch on mine.
And you ran the wire through here. See, I ran that one over there, over the axle, over here by the brake line. And you ran it right over there, up under the body and everything. And it's gonna be hit. Hot out my box, so people don't even know where it's at. I don't even know where it's at. You start pulling that bitch, man. But yeah, I'm finna run this wire right here. And we got 2 more to do up there. It's gonna knock out. It's gonna slide work right there, so let's get to it.
The only thing we have is neon tubes that went in the car.
Yeah.
It was real neons, and they break. And I never had any because they were expensive. And it was glass tubes. everything's LED and it's simple. You control it with your phone.
Right.
Back then, the cops would bust you if you left the lights on even if you moved. If you touch a public street with the light on like that, looking for a reason to give you a ticket.
Yeah, they still do out here. I don't even turn when I have my light. I have same thing, double up flow series lights on my truck, and I don't even turn them on I have negatives. But I think Baton Rouge, they don't care.
Go away. That's why the rocker be sitting on the ground.
Yeah, man, we got that man right. Oh, yeah. Woo, that bit dump. Running, huh?